1/4 mile.
What is up, y'all? It's your boy here, back with another video. Have you ever gone through the adventure of modifying your car and wondered through each stage of modifying your car what your car can actually do? Well, stay tuned, because this video is going to talk specifically about a product that I believe is going to help all of us as car enthusiasts to see what our car can do as we modify it. This right here, bro, this is the Dragy. And this could be the device that changes how we compare our cars to other cars. So let's go ahead and let's just start with unboxing it. Okay, as you can see, we have a white box. That is actually an image of the actual size of what the Dragy is. So let's go ahead and open it. This is the box. Go Dragy. Go Dragy. Yep, just throw that away. Okay. There it is. There's our Dragy. So this is a pretty small device. Oh, feels like it's magnetically held in there, because I can actually feel the click of something magnetically holding it in there. But if you pull it out, this is the real size of it. This thing is tiny. This thing is really tiny. Got a USB, micro USB for charging. And this is pretty much a GPS for your car to stack up. What is it? Okay, 5-volt input. So it can charge up pretty quickly. Alright. Let's set the Dragy to the side. Let's open the box further. Okay. So right now we have just the wire. It has nothing else, just a wire. So you got to find your own plug to charge it with this wire. Alright, let's go ahead and put that to the side. Magnetic metal plate. It actually comes with two. I opened it earlier and looked at it. The other plate is actually in my car, but it comes with two. This is one right now. Put that to the side, and pretty much we got some paperwork here. All right, and that's that. So the reason I think this Dragy is very important for the automotive industry, specifically the car enthusiasts who like to modify their cars, is because not only is it very mobile. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is mobile. You can pretty much take this thing all over the place without any extra equipment. And as far as I understand about this thing is really, really accurate. This is actually, the accuracy of this device is actually comparable to what you would get from like the expensive V-Box setup that you would see like professional magazines or other YouTube shows using. But the Dragy is so important because this is something that normal people like you and I can actually buy and attain ourselves. For just a little bit over $100, you get a device like this, the Dragy, that not only gives you the ability to see what your 0 to 60 time is, your 60-foot time, your 1/4 mile time, your 1/8 time, your, what is it, your 0 to 30, your 0 to 100, your 60 to 130. Like, there's so many different things that you can actually see what your car is capable of doing just by you using this device. Now, the best thing about this device is that it's Bluetooth. It Bluetooth connects to your actual mobile device, your phone. And let's actually go into the app and see what's so great about this app. I already have the app. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, it's giving me a little bit of a note there. All right, then you're gonna come to this screen right here, press connect, and as you can see, it's connecting. And you got to make sure it's charged, because if it's not charged, it won't connect. All right, it's going to go through that. Okay, and right now I'm sitting still. I'm not moving anywhere. It is on. It does this little blue blinking thing as it's on. But if you press the upper right, it would give you the ability to disconnect. But let me go back. It also lets you record, like it's showing right now. It can let you record as you do your pulls. All right, let's exit out of that. Let's see, and you see 0 to 60, 60 to 130, 0 to 130, 60 to 0, which is pretty cool. 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, and you can do custom modes. But one of the really good things about this is leaderboard. This is actually something that is really important for you people who like to modify your cars, like me. You can go into leaderboard. You can compare your car to other cars. It doesn't even have to be the same make. But I'm gonna go into Infiniti, and as you look in Infiniti, in the month of April, Not Tuned has done the fastest 0 to 60 time in the month of April using Dragy, which is a 3.17. That is freaking fast. I did one just to test it out. Mine is 4.14, which is a complete second slower than Not Tuned. I tell you what, shout out to Not Tuned, because that boy is bad. All right. For the month of March, this is where it got interesting. You can see companies like actual racing companies like AMS. This is AMS #1 spot with their Alpha Q60. And they did 0 to 60 in 2.45 seconds. Wow. Okay, what are they doing a quarter mile? So I'm gonna go ahead and select quarter mile at the bottom. Okay, it looked like nobody logged it. So let's go to April. Quarter mile. Oh, that's half mile, I'm sorry. Quarter mile. Okay, Not Tuned. He did 11.0. 11.0 in the month of April. The month of March, AMS did a 9.95. And you can see the videos on the actual YouTube page of AMS, and you can see how comparable this time on Dragy is compared to what the drag strip actually tells them what they're doing. And it's very close. It's very close in accuracy. Sam Barrows, Nostrum Performance, did a 10.63. And he actually had a Q50, which is a very cool thing to see Q50s hit the 10s. So let me compare my car to a, let's go Nissan. Oh, it just says Japanese. Let's see. Let's see if I can go to Nissan. Nissan GTR. Okay, it just says Nissan. Okay. I guess it doesn't go like specific vehicle. It just goes by make. Let's see what Teslas are doing. Okay, you got a 2020 Tesla Model S 0 to 60 in 2.55. We all look how close all these Teslas are. 2.55, 2.55, 2.57, 2.57. And I guarantee you none of these guys are very good drivers. But the fact that they can do 0 to 60s this fast tells you how fast these Teslas are from the dig. Don't race a Tesla from a dig unless you know what you're doing. Okay, month of March, 2.67, 2.75. These things are quick. These things are quick. And then you have like a feed of people doing videos, and you have that part of who you are. So going back to this, when you're actually driving and your phone is connected to your car via Bluetooth, it actually tells you in different milestones where you're going. So it'll tell you audibly in your car 30 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, 130 miles an hour, quarter mile, eighth mile. Like, it will say this verbally out loud through your car's speakers, as long as your phone is connected Bluetooth, if you are using the Dragy app, you know, obviously with the Dragy device. So this thing is something special. If you are a modifier, you like to modify your cars and want to see more than just numbers. If you want to see more than just numbers, like horsepower numbers, and you want to see what your car can actually do on the street and on the track, I highly suggest that you start with a Dragy. Some of you who already follow my channel may already know I'm going through tuning revisions with my tuner right now to get my 0 to 60 foot down under 2 seconds. And it all starts with the launch. My launch control is not working how it should, even though I know it's beta. But the fact that other Q50 and Q60 tuned cars have been successful with this launch control, you know, I'm really doing my part to try to communicate with my tuner through the eTune to get my launch control working properly. And now that I finally have a Dragy, I can have accurate results when I share them through Facebook, Instagram, you know, and even YouTube. So I just wanted to show you guys a Dragy, show you guys the app, and if you have anything to add to this, don't forget to show your boy some love, leave some comments, and if you like my content, don't forget to like, and also consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, you don't lose anything, but I gain, you know, more subscribers, I gain more opportunities through YouTube, and ultimately I would love to see this channel grow. So I could use your help, and remember to always tune in to my channel. Every Monday and every Thursday is going to be a new video. Thanks for watching.